Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shauna and today we're going to be organizing this chaos that has become our homeschool room. So grab a cup of coffee and let's clean it. Alright you guys, so here is an up close and personal look at what our homeschool room has become. So I will mention that this is actually the first video in a series of get ready for the homeschool year with me. And as you can see, we definitely need to get ready for the new year because that is ridiculous. And this is where we keep our homeschool cart. As you can see, there is a workout step on it and lots of randomness, so we definitely need to clean. Alright you guys, so my brain can't handle like taking one thing down and then putting it away and all of that craziness. So I'm just going to like throw everything onto the floor, sort it out, and then put it in its respective places. So that's my plan for tackling this craziness. So I'm gonna get started.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else.
Alright, so a lot of stuff fell behind the bookcase, so I was moving it so I could get everything. But look at that. Look at all that stuff. And can somebody tell me, how did a potato end behind the bookcase? This is children.
You can ride out the blue. I wanna do what you want to.
Alright you guys, so the bookcases are cleared off. And here's kind of the aftermath. There's a random pile of things. This one is Addie's box. I'm not even gonna lie, like our boxes kind of just started getting, you know, becoming catch-alls. So that's Addie's homeschool box. That is my like supply box. This is Noah's box. And then this is our just like a random household things box. And then this is everything that was on top of the bookcases. So I'm going to go through that, organize it, and find a home for it where, you know, it can live its life and look nice. Through and I'm throwing away a lot of like the kids' artwork. Okay, I'm not a monster, so don't judge me. I'm sure you guys do it too. But I was gonna throw this one away and then I saw, I don't know if it'll like zoom in on that, but it says so many questions and I thought that was hilarious. So I think I'm gonna keep it just cause, you know, sometimes that's life, right? So many questions. So I think I'm like halfway done with just the bookcase mess. And so like right here, some reading books. Those ones are some phonics books for Addie. Here's some curriculum we're not using. That one is what we were using last year. That's completed. And then I have some multiplication papers that I made Noah so he can practice this summer. This is curriculum that we're going to be using all this year right here. That is just some like folders and binders. That's the same. That's like educational books. That one is workbooks. There's some flashcards, reading books. There's some like Abeka readers that I plan on having Noah read this summer like out loud to me. This pile right here is going to go in the recyclables. This I still need to go through. That I need to go through. That is like my stuff. These are going to be like little drawings that I save that the kids have made. that needs to go through. That's gonna be trash. That's a pile of stuff that the kids need to put away. That is like a pile of games over there. And that is my cute little baby, who is probably going to redo all of the work I just did. So, yeah. Alright, you guys, so the bookcases are officially all cleaned out with the little cubbies. I'm not quite sure how to organize everything. I don't know if I want to do like one cubby per subject, or if I want to go back to doing Noah and Addie's curriculum individually, and then maybe having like one for group work, and then maybe like a teacher cubby. But everything is sorted, but I'm gonna have to work fast because this little cutie pie started like taking the clothespins that I found and throwing them. Screaming, just ignore it. Alright, so as you can see, no more mess. So what I decided to do was this one will be like my teacher box with books that we're going to use throughout the year for education, and then just like fun complimentary books. And then this is going to be workbooks, and then back here are our flashcards and our like math games. And then this is going to be Noah's curriculum box. I have like a writing prompts book for him to use throughout the summer, and then the math pages that I made him to work on multiplication. This will be our group studies box. And this one is going to be Addie's. She's currently going throughout this book for sight words throughout the summer. And then my printer had some issues, so I had to send it in to get fixed. So when it comes, it's going to go right there. And then this is like a little art thing, and that's a box of curriculum that I need to do reviews on for you guys. And then there's our little basket, and everything else is cleaned up. Tomorrow, because my kids are screaming like you can hear, I'm going to clean and organize this stuff with you guys and our homeschool cart. So I will see you tomorrow. Hello everyone. Alright, so it has been a few days since the last little clip you would have seen. And so our printer got back and I put it to the test. You guys, I think I printed like 18 curriculums. It's insane. But I'm so excited that we got it. So here is like our fold out homeschool table. I have the curriculums that I printed, and then just some like randomness. I took some stuff off of the walls that I had because I want to redo it for the new year. But today we are going to be working on the stuff that nightmares are made of. Yeah, I'm not excited at all. But that's why I pulled out the table, so I can take it, put it onto the table, and kind of organized. So that's what we're gonna get to while the baby is calm and not crying and chasing me all over the house. So let's get to it. Alright, you guys, so I put like one of my friends, when we first, I think I already mentioned this when I was filming a few days ago, but one of my friends gave me a ton of curriculum, and so these are all a bunch of Abeka readers. But we have level 1, some level 2, we have level 3 in another basket, level 4 and level 5, but I've, since we're not using the Abeka curriculum, I didn't know, like, is it worth it? For those of you who have used these, is it worth it to keep it and just kind of work them into some of your read alouds, or should I maybe bless another family with it who does use that curriculum? Let me know down in the comments if you have used that. Next, I have like a pile of some of our science experiments. I need to get rid of some and work on others. Here's some more science experiments. We haven't gotten a chance to do this crystal garden, but because we got it when we were moving last year, so I just kind of forgot about it. So I'm glad that I did the clean out. We can do that. Power balls. This one was really fun, and it comes with a lot of supplies, so you can just continue to make them on occasion. My kids really enjoyed doing this one. If you guys have a little girl who likes makeup, don't ever buy this set. This lip gloss stains. So whatever color they make it, if they spill it at all on like the couch or the carpet, I mentioned those two areas because that's where it was stained or spilled, it stains it, and it's so hard to get out. So I think we got this from Target, so don't get this. This is not a good set. That's some curriculum that one of my friends gave me that we're going to use over the years. And then there's our printer paper. My husband got us a huge box. There's like some of our older curriculum. I think I'm going to keep it for now, just because I haven't kept records, so I like to just keep our curriculum. But as the kids get older, and now that we're using curriculum for my kindergartner, it's going to be too much to keep it. But we live in really, so far we have lived in lenient states regarding homeschool laws, so I haven't had to keep anything, but I do want to keep something just to kind of like cover my butt. You never know. That's some extra binders. There's trash over there. And then this is a box of party supplies that we keep, so like gift bags, decorations, streamers, and things like that. There's my silhouette kept in a trash bag. I'm keeping it classy. And then there's some like read alouds that I hope to do over the summer or next year. And then just some like art supplies in general. Alright, you guys, so I'm done. Okay, so all of the stuff that was on the walls is right here while I try to figure out where I want to put it. The baby is being loud. All of this is now organized and looks so much better. We do have an excess of books, so I'm either going to have to go through them and donate or sell, but I don't want to deal with that, or talk my husband into buying me another bookcase, which he is reluctant to do, but I wish to have another one so we can just have this huge wonderful library. So which one do you want? Do you want him to buy me a new bookcase, or should I donate? Let me know down below in the comments. We can kind of, you know, if I have more people saying, yeah, get another bookcase, then maybe I can, you know, guide him to the right decision. But yeah, it's kind of getting a little much. I'm not going to stop buying books though. But it's totally fine. We budget, so, you know, it's fine. Now, as far as this look, it looks so much better. There's our curriculums that I have printed for next year, some of like our Bible studies. I put all of our printer paper right here, as well as like our just like extra like lined college ruled paper. I have some nature books that I want to get into, and then our read alouds for next year, some of our experiments, so they're hidden from the baby. He can't get them out because they do have like some chemicals. And our party box, then just like our extra craft supplies, the old curriculum next to the new or unused curriculum, the readers, some more art, and our games. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready for the new school year video with me, and just like cleaning out and organizing our homeschool rooms, starting fresh. Like I said, it's going to be a whole series, so we're going to do something different every single day. So make sure that you like this video, you hit that subscribe button and the little bell icon so you get notified when I post a new video. follow along with this series, and let's get ready for the new school year.